We'll guide you through how to set up your Printify store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on the Stores tab in the menu on the left. Now you'll see an option to connect your store. Click on it. You'll be prompted to choose a platform to connect with Printify. Popular options include Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Select the platform you're using and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and link your store. It's important to ensure that your online store is properly set up on the chosen platform before connecting it to Printify. Once your store is connected, go back to the Printify dashboard and click on My Products. Here you can start designing your products. Click on Create New Product and you'll be taken to the catalog. Browse through the variety of products available like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Choose a product you want to customize and click on it. You'll enter the design editor where you can upload your artwork or create a design using the built-in tools. Make sure to check the print area and adjust your design accordingly. Once you're happy with your design, click Save Product. You'll then be prompted to add product details such as title, description, and pricing. It's a good idea to optimize these for SEO to help customers find your products online. After saving the product details, you can publish it to your connected store. Printify will handle the printing and shipping so you can focus on marketing and selling your products. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.